Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a helicopter. And you know what, just for you, I'll throw in a helipad as well. We wouldn't want to damage the tops of our buildings. If you have a suggestion on what I should make next, please leave a comment down below, whether it is a real world build like this one or something from a cartoon, video game, movie, let me know down there in the comments. Consider becoming a channel member today and you will gain access to a cool avatar next to your name, some unique emojis, and access to my mini city design world containing every single build that has been added to Mini City to date. This is well over 100 builds, all chronologically ordered, Java edition only. This is the amount of space required to make the helicopter, and here are all of the materials that we will use throughout the build. Do note that if you want to change the colour of the helicopter, exchange the red concrete and red carpet for any two other colours of the same block. Feel free to skip ahead if you aren't interested in making the helipad. Begin by placing 7 white concrete in a row on the ground, or on top of a small building. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then place 2 white concrete extending back and to the right. Extend backwards by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Place 2 white concrete extending back and left. 1, 2. Extend left by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Extend forwards and to the left by 2. 1, 2. Extend forwards by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then connect back to the beginning diagonally. Now, at the front of the helipad, we are going to place 2 entire rows of black concrete filling in these 2 first empty rows. We then, starting on the left side, want to place 2 black concrete, a yellow concrete, 3 black concrete, 1, 2, 3, a yellow concrete, and then 2 black concrete. We then want to extend the yellow concretes each backwards by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We then want to join them together in the middle, like this, to form an H or an I, depending upon how you look at this, and then we can simply fill the rest of the helipad in with black concrete. Helipad complete. Now it's time to make the helicopter. Begin by placing a smooth stone slab in this position, and then extend it backwards 1, 2, 3, 4. Extend this smooth stone slab up 1, and this smooth stone slab up by 1 as well. We then want to extend this block to the right by 1, 2, extend down, forwards, and backwards 1, 2, 3. Extend this slab up by 1 as well. Then we want to place an oak door here. Place a red concrete in front of the oak door and extend it left by 2. 1, 2. Place a glow item frame here, and place 2 rows of black stained glass on top of the red concrete. We then want to place 2 red concrete extending backwards from our door, 1, 2, and then we want to extend across the back, 1, 2, join back to the front, and then we want to extend our red concretes up so that they are as high as the glass, like this. We also want to add a stone button next to the door. And on the back of the helicopter, we want to place a red concrete in the center, extend left, right, up and down. We then want to extend the center block back, 1, 2, 3. Place smooth stone slabs extending out of the right of the red concrete here, and then we want to place, and this is a little bit tricky to do just in the air, we want to place flipped up oak trapdoors around the smooth stone slabs like this, and we are just going to remove the excess red concrete that we've placed. So we want to have this. You can see that these trapdoors are just kind of in the air, which is perfect. So inside the helicopter, we are going to add a chair, which is going to be right here. This is a smooth quartz stair. We then want to place a lever in front of it for the controls of the helicopter. And then we want to place a piston above the seat like this, and we just want to leave a gap of 1. We also want to remove this red concrete behind the piston, which is where we will conceal a redstone torch. We also want to place a string here, and then red carpet on top of the helicopter like this. If you like, you can even kind of, just to be consistent, place it on top of the entire helicopter, although it isn't required. Then, a smooth stone slab on top of the piston like this, and stemming out of each one of the 4 sides of the piston, we will place 3 grey carpet, 1, 2, and then place a string here, 3 grey carpet, followed by a light grey carpet. So depending upon which side you do this on, you will need more or less string, but we want to do the exact same thing on every single side. So, I mean, it looks kind of cool with just 2, but I'm going to go for the classic 4. I actually really like it just with the 2, I guess, blades, but 4 is what we're going to go with. Do feel free to change it though. And with that final detail added, we have officially completed this tutorial. However, this video is not over. We must now add our helicopter into our city. Now, this isn't too difficult a task, as there are only a few buildings in the entire city where it would make sense to mount a helicopter on top of it. The first of which is going to be one of my skyscrapers. I'm also going to change the colour of the helicopter. I think blue would look nice. And the second place is going to be on top of my mini hospital. And I'm going to keep the colour red. Perfect. And that is that, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please do remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell next to the subscription button to ensure that you get all my videos sent directly to your sub box. If you would like to make anything else by me, please check the description below for the Mini City Builds playlist. We have over 100 builds in there for you to enjoy. Alternatively, the sidebar, hopefully the next upcoming video, YouTube, or just check the channel. Consider becoming a channel member today and you will gain access to a cool avatar next to your name, some unique emojis, and access to my mini city design world containing every single build that has been added to Mini City to date. This is well over 100 builds, all chronologically ordered. Java edition only. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.